This is the Hanayama chess set. This is the Hanayama Rook chess puzzle piece. This was sent to me by BePuzzled, so thank you. Shout out to them. They sent this for an honest review of this product. So let's open it up and take a look at it. On the back of the package, it talks about the sign that's on the coin. It's just a nice looking package, so I keep them in that package. And also on the side shows you the solution, which is to get the top off of this. This is a level 1 puzzle, so if you haven't yet done it, I encourage you to try it out. Try fiddling with it and seeing what moves and what doesn't, and try and shake it a little bit maybe. Listen to what moves. So those are my recommendations. Listen to what moves, try moving things around, seeing what you can do to try and get that top off. The solution for this puzzle lies in that spinning piece on the top here. This piece will spin around, and you can spend a lot of time spinning it. Basically what you're trying to do is there is a pin inside, and I'll show you when we get that open, that's stopping this from actually unscrewing. And what we need to do is get this one lined up so that it lets that pin get out of the way. And to do that, I find it helpful to flip the thing upside down and let it get caught in there. And then this one here will screw right off. You don't want it to be upside down when I actually take the top off, because that's where our coin is hidden. There's our coin. We have discovered the rook. With that on the back. Now, again, let's just take a quick look at this. There's that pin I was talking about, kind of brass colored pin right there. And now you can see it's below the level. That's when this is in the right location. When you turn this, kind of forces that to stay down. So when that's down, obviously inside of this hole it can't turn. So that's the solution to this puzzle, is getting that out of the way so that you can turn it around there. It's not a very complicated puzzle, but I like it a lot. And first off, I love the way it looks because I like chess. But I also think it's kind of a smart puzzle, because you do have to combine together kind of turning it upside down as well as turning it the right way up. So you are kind of spinning it around. It's a little bit of an unexpected thing, having to have this turn to a certain place. So I like that about it. I really did enjoy this puzzle. It was nice because it did stump my son for a little bit. My 12-year-old son was stumped on this one for a little bit until he turned it to just the right spot, and then it kind of comes apart. So hope that was helpful for you on this Rook chess puzzle piece. Have a wonderful day.